Login failed on TradeStation Mobile Fix. You open the TradeStation app ready to trade, but instead of charts and balances, you get a login failed message. It's frustrating, but here's the good news. The fix is usually quick and easy. Let's start with the basics. First, check your internet connection. TradeStation requires a stable network for secure authentication. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or refresh your signal by toggling airplane mode. Weak connections often cause login errors without any other warning. Next, make sure your app is updated. Outdated versions can conflict with TradeStation's security systems. Open your App Store or Google Play, search for TradeStation and tap Update. If that doesn't help, manually type in your credentials instead of relying on saved passwords. If you recently change your password or use Face It or fingerprint login, those stored credentials might be outdated. Use Forgot Password to reset it if needed. Then, clear your app cache. On Android, open Settings, tap Apps, select TradeStation and choose Clear Cache. On iPhone, simply delete and reinstall the app. It automatically refreshes your session data. Using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily. TradeStation may block logins from unfamiliar IPs as a security precaution. If none of these steps work, it could be a temporary system outage or scheduled maintenance on TradeStation servers. Waiting 10 to 20 minutes before trying again can often resolve the issue. So when your TradeStation mobile app says login failed, remember it's usually something small. Check your connection, update the app, clear the cache, re-enter your credentials, and turn off any fiends. With these quick fixes, you'll be back to trading, analyzing charts, and staying ahead of the markets in no time.